Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA G50, and today I will show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So obviously, to get started, you'll want to open up your settings. From here, I'm gonna just lower the brightness just a little bit. There we go. So from the settings, you want to scroll all the way down to System, Advanced, and then select Reset Options right over here. And choose the last option, Erase All Data Factory Reset. By choosing this, it will give you a message that performing a factory reset of your device will result in basically removing the things that are provided right here. So we have Google accounts, system and app data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if there's anything that you'd like to keep from this list, do back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. Now, that being said, there are a couple things that you don't need to worry about backing up, like app data and your Google accounts. Obviously, you can't really back up a Google account. It's a online kind of thing, so just simply log in and anything that is associated with the account will basically be, I guess, regained. So things that you should worry about are things like music, photos, and user data. Anyway, assuming you have already made a backup or you just simply don't want to, click on Erase All Data. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right over here. And if you don't have any screen lock, you should instantly see this page right here. So anyway, from here you want to select Erase All Data, and this will begin the process. Now this will take possibly up to 5 minutes on this device. I'm just kind of guessing though, but that's what I'm assuming, so just be patient. It will take a couple minutes. Once it's finished, we'll then be greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.